Okay, so this is going to be my antipasta wraps. So I've got the string cheese here that I want to use. So I'll be using the string cheese, and I'm probably going to actually cut these in half. So some of this is going to be left over and I'm going to use it snacks. So I'm going to cut this in half. And then I have the ham, because I can't use this turkey. This is honey roasted turkey breast. So I was excited about getting turkey as well as ham, but I cannot eat the turkey. So it'll just be this portion of ham that I'll be using. I have the purple or red onion. Then I have some garlic. So I'm going to use a lot of that garlic for this dish. I have some of the baby tomatoes, so Roman tomatoes that I'll be cutting in half. I'm going to use Greek Freak, which is a spice blend. Normally, I mean, I've never had the spices on it before, but I mean, I'm just going to jazz it up. So the key is to have all this soaking, and so that'll give that time to saturate in there as well. I've got some small white, can I get it out? Small white pitted olives that I'll be using. Then I have some red wine vinegar. We've got some olive oil, and then I have some Deli Sliced mild pepper wings. Alright, so got the ham over here, string cheese. I'm going to start with that, and I'm just going to use one of my Rubbermaid containers because I want to make sure it's sealed properly so it can soak. So I'm probably going to fill that one up, and then maybe there might be two.
Alright, so I'm just going ahead and opening up the cheese that I'm going to need, and then I tried pulling them apart, but I think it's best just to cut it. So I'm just cutting them down the middle, separating those pieces. Alright, and then I began wrapping 2 pieces of ham with one of the mozzarella sticks. However, I ended up going back and taking those apart and then just doing single ones. So I would probably recommend just doing single, but you know, it's up to you. Whatever you prefer, just tweak it however you like. So I cut the ends off of the onion and then cut it down the middle, and then I'm just doing like half moon slices. And then through this process with the red wine vinegar and some of the vinegar from the actual pickled peppers, it's actually going to pickle the onions, and they actually tend to be pretty sweet once pickled, so it's really good. But if you know you don't like onions, you don't like garlic, you know, you can make this however you want. So after I rinse the olives off, I actually apply the olives in there, and then I rinse the tomatoes off, and then I'm just cutting those in half and then adding those to the dish. All right, and then I actually went back because I noticed that I had some more items I needed to add, including the vinegar and oil. So I ended up making 3 pans and actually taking some out of the other 2 to make a third one. All right, so just mincing the garlic here and adding the garlic to the dish. You know, again, if you don't like garlic, you can skip this step, but I really like it. I think it brings a lot of flavor. All right, and then adding the banana peppers here. And I'm actually pouring some of the juice in as well. And then the olive oil. Again, the keto diet is lots of fat, so I went back and added a little bit more olive oil as well. And then the red wine vinegar. And then the Greek Freak seasoning. It doesn't need any salt because, you know, the ham has lots of salt, but you do what you like. And this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm going to clean up this mess, but if you end up making this recipe, let me know what you think, or if you made something similar, please let me know. I'd love to hear about it.